Today, what I'm going to work on is going to be building the circuit board for the magnetic brake. And I've got my copper PCB board and my cutter that you use to cut it with. And I've got the etching. And I've got my straight edge. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this and then going to take my vinyl cutter and we're going to cut the vinyl for the board. I'm going to get it adjusted right here. Wish I had somebody to hold the camera, but I don't, so it just is what it is. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this board. So I'm going to get my cutting board out of the cabinet here so I don't cut my table up, which is not really that big of a deal. Can I get into it? So I'll move this over here a little bit. Maybe you can see better. I'm not sure. Now I need something behind that leg to hold it from sliding. Okay, there you go. You can see that pretty good. So what to do is I've already marked the board. So what I'm going to do is take the straight edge and you put it on the board, hold it down. You just take this cutter here, which has a special edge on it. It's for cutting plastic and other things. And you score. And you score. And you score. And I'm already through the copper. And you do this a few times. And then you can take your straight edge away. And what you got is you've got a nice cut there. And you can see it from the other side. So you can score it from both sides, which I'll probably do. But like I said, you don't need that. So you just continue to cut on your line. And then you figure out something to do with your little scrap pieces. This side, even though it doesn't matter, because that side is going to be scrap. And you see how much you got. So what we can do is cut this side here just a little bit, just so to help it break. I use these to cut the aluminum for the aircraft. So I had some laying around anyway, these knives. So I figured why not use them. And you can just break it off. Just like that. So I cut this side here. And that'll be my board. And then I'm going to go in there and cut the vinyl. I'll show you how to do that. Probably could cut this on a table saw or something, I guess. I don't know. I've never tried that. But I'm sure you could. Probably 1,000 ways to cut it. I guess the main thing is not to cut straight across that way, because then your board would probably be no good to you. Because you cut right across one of your what do you call that? where your circuit goes. So break. Yep, there you go. Now you got some neat little pieces to do some cool little stuff with. Put a little name in there or something like that. We'll see in a minute. So, okay, there you go. There's the board. Now what I'm going to do is pause the video and go in the other room, and I'll cut the pattern, make sure it's going to work, and then we'll cut the vinyl, put it on it, and we'll etch it. So, we'll be right back.